Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 2023, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this Infinix. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to Access System. Following that, click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, select Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are over here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!